Uh, write one, two tests, you will get some idea. No, one like that.
Good evening, sir.
It. Mm-hmm. 4 o'clock, huh? Yeah, yeah. Test will be open once if we upload. Oh, okay. No, no, it will be open. I will tell to sir. He will open.
Good evening, sir.
Ananya, what happened?
Sir, I'm not well. That's why I
Oh,
couldn't come.
I think you
Yeah.
went out.
No, sir.
Driving
I don't know.
handbrakes.
That day also I had little cold. So
Okay.
I just didn't come.
You didn't give to Prisha. You didn't give to Prisha and you drank, I think. You went that day. Risha.
What,
He
sir?
went out, no, by leaving you, your friend, yesterday.
So I could come, but my mom told me not to go.
Yeah, okay. Yeah,
She
yeah.
told,
You was not well, no?
yeah, that's why.
No, no. 19th they have physics exam. No, last exam is on 19th. Huh? Okay, start. Once second level, right? Once open the Ananya, open
Last class, like
that.
before, after I left, you
Hmm.
finished all the beats question.
Yes.
Okay.
We did beats question only. After today, we will solve second level some questions. Okay, then you
Okay,
will get
sir.
more idea so that you can write test. Hmm? Open the
Yes.
second level. Where is that? Same PDF. It is in the same PDF level. Only the.
So there are graphical problems also.
Hmm.
So shall we do that and then go to second level or for second
No,
level
no.
only?
Second level we will solve. Okay, because some graphical questions already. Few sums we did. Like you have to amplitudes root over a square plus b square. That formula you have to
Mm-hmm.
use, and you should get that. And most of the questions interference anything is there that we will learn in the second year also. Okay, same models.
Yes.
That is wave optics, no? So we will learn there.
So
Hmm.
these questions like if you see 172, then
1 minute. 172.
all those type of questions. So those are similar to the phase question.
Hmm. 172 is easy only. Just you can find total distance if it is x s1 to s3. You can find that. Okay. 171 also lambda is equal to v by f formula.
Mm.
Second level, little big questions only that we will solve first. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mm. Okay. Second level, first question. Check once, ma. Read once. Once read the first question, ma. Second level. Try to solve. Three waves. Y1 a sine kx minus omega t. Y2 they given and y3 they given. The are superimposed so that y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to 0 at all positions. Then the value of pi is when that all waves at what angle, all waves superimposed so that everywhere you will get a one wave. So superimpose no each and everything. Superimpose so that y1 plus y2 plus y3. Then find out what is pi. No, if option win 90 means three waves are there, one wave will be somewhere. So it's not option. Option pi by 3 means how much? 60. Three waves if you take. So if you take one wave, it is y1. And one more wave, if it is 90, then no. No. Pi by 2 also no. It won't be 90. 2 pi by 3, how much? 2 pi by 3? 270, ma? 360 by 3. mm, it can be 120. 4, how much? 4 pi by 3 means 240, huh? So suppose 2 5 two waves if it is means 2 5 equal to 240, then 5 will become again 120 only. But option is one, no? Option can be only one. Pi equal to 120 only. Wait. So three waves, huh? If you take three waves, if it cannot be 90. So if you take it is at an angle, some 30 or something. If you take one more wave also, if you take something 30, it
So
is
if you
90,
take,
120. Tell me, ma.
yeah, if we take 3 pi by 1 second, sir.
3 pi, yeah.
No, no, no. 1 second, 1 second.
Yes, we will discuss just a second. See, think once.
Yeah. So like option A is 2 pi by 3, no?
Option
And
A is 2 pi by 3.
yeah, sine 2 pi by 3 is 270 degrees. So sine 270 is -1, I think.
Sine 270, how much?
I think -1, I'm not sure. But yeah, it should be -1.
0, 90, 180,
Yeah, it is -1.
270, 360. So minus 1.
Yeah. And then y3 is 2 5. So 2 pi by 3 into 2. So that will become 4 pi by 3. And 4
4
pi by
pi by
3
3, nothing but
is
um, 360,
2
360, 360, 720 by 3. So it will become
4
720
into 180 by 3. 60 into 4, 240 degrees.
240. Yeah.
So 240 degree again lies in the second
See,
quadrant,
everywhere,
third quadrant.
when it is, what is the question they given? Once read that. Wherever you are seeing there superimposed, no? So that you will get to 0 only. Three waves should meet at that point. Okay.
Yeah.
One amplitude you should not get. Amplitudes, if we get different values, then it's not superimposed. They given
Mm.
y1, means displacement. Y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to 0. Everywhere you will get, you should get 0 only. Superimpose is nothing but suppose one wave. One more wave it is if it is like this. So if it is superimposed, then both will become one. So final wave you will get like if it is the 3 meters, if it is the 4 meters, final resultant wave that you are going to get 7. Suppose why? Because both are vector sum, both are in the same direction. Suppose one is like 3. No, no, vector sum. Vector sum means what? Direction. One vector is in this direction, one more vector is in this direction. Both, what will you do? No, no. Yeah. So here, if you do, then you will get this wave is nothing but 1 meter, because one is in the opposite phase they are. So wherever you will see, there you have to get a zero displacement. Displacement should be zero. So when it is possible, zero displacement means, suppose if you take angle is equal to 2 pi by 3, 3 waves, no, 2 pi by 3, nothing but 2 into 180 by 3. How much you are getting? So 3, 120. 120 you are getting. Always 2 pi by 3. It is 2 pi by 3. Option is 4 pi by 3 also it is there.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
So
Option can
wait,
be wrong also.
how did you get 2 pi by
240 if we
3?
get, if we get, uh, 240 if we get. First coordinate 0 to 90, 180 plus 60. 3 waves should meet. Okay, and just we will check this question, okay? By ending, one more question.
So
240,
see,
third quadrant.
y1, so y1 there's no phase itself. We don't have any phase.
Yes, y1 having no
So
phase.
that is already 0. So 0 plus, and now y2, if we take 2 pi by 3, sine
y1,
2 pi by 3
y1
is
is no
minus
phase.
1.
It will be the same. Y2 if you take,
0. Y2 we take it is sine 270. Sine 270 is minus 1.
mm,
0 minus 1. And now
0
in
minus
y3,
1. Again, if you get, you should get minus 1.
we need plus 1 to cancel out minus 1. So 2 pi by 3 will not give us plus 1,
2,
because if we take
2 pi
sine,
by 3 minus it will give, no? Minus 1 by,
yes, it'll give minus, but
minus
in
1.
y3 we have 2 phi, right? So it'll be 2 into 2 pi by 3. That'll become 4 pi by 3. Sine 4 pi by 3 is 240 degrees. So that is
No,
minus sine
first, it is
30.
the first wave. It having no
Yeah,
phase. We are taking
yeah,
first wave having no phase.
yeah.
Second wave, sign will be in the second coordinate. If it is the negative coordinate, it will be negative. So it can be y2 can be positive 1, y1 can be negative 1. Sum of these three. Uh, so 2 pi by 3. It is 2 pi by 3. So Ananya, second coordinate, third one is minus 1, no? Take it is the first one having 0 phase, second one having in the positive coordinate, and third one should be in the minus, so that you will get a 0. So 0 you can get like 2 pi by 3.
So how
See, if
we
you take
have
even
to?
2, yeah, if you take even 240 also, 240 cannot be, so phase equal to 120 means, suppose 120 if you get, they given second wave how much given? 25 equal to 240. So that will be 5 equal to
So 2 pi
240.
by 3 is 270, not 120.
No, no, no. It is 180 by, sorry, 360 by 3. 360 by 3, you will get 120.
Oh yeah, yeah,
It is
yeah.
120. Then
Correct,
5
correct,
equal
correct.
to 120. Second will become 2 5. 2 5 equal to, you are getting 240. So 5 equal to 120. So 5,
Yeah, sir. Correct, correct, correct.
5 is 120. 2 5 by 3. Mm. See the next question, read. Nice, Ananya. Hmm. Check the next one, ma. Hmm. So that is what is the source. If you take, so he is receiving it's directly. It is 120. So he is a receiver, and he also receives reflected wave. So it can be like this. It is height is 25 meters. It seems 25.
So they are saying direct sound waves, no?
What is that?
In a large room, the person
Wait,
receives
wait, wait, wait.
direct sound waves
One
from the
is first.
source.
First, he will see the direct sound wave
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
before the. Read the question carefully. What he is telling. First, he will listen the sound directly. Second, he will listen after reflection.
Yeah, correct, correct.
After reflection means this is only. Again, where ceiling can be there?
On top, 25 meters above.
No, no, no. It's like it's 90. So now, if you take it is O, A, B, C, if you take, is the midpoint. Constructive interference means we have to add. So first we want this resultant wave.
So is constructive
Constructive means two waves.
interference okay?
Hmm. Read the question once carefully. Then let S be the source. Okay, listener, it will reflect. It reflects back 90 angle. So mm, find out first phase difference between them. Phase difference. Find out between them. What is the phase difference? Path difference. Sorry, path difference. Find out. First, it is the path. It is the second path. So path difference. Path difference is S. If you take some S or delta X, you take delta X is equal to, it is C I took, no? OCB minus OAB. OAB. That if you divide, like if you remove, like subtraction, if you do, you will get the path difference. So what is the OAB? How to find out? OCB will be 120 only. 120 meters they given.
So, but even if we find path difference, we don't have phase difference, no?
No, no. See, phase difference equal to 2 pi by lambda into path difference. No.
Yeah, but
If you
we need
find
to
out
find
this,
lambda.
if you find out this, del x equal to, it's 10 it seems. So delta x equal to 10. 120. So lambda. Phase difference we have to find out. Mm. Phase difference. We have to find out the phase difference.
But we don't have lambda.
We don't have lambda.
And in question, they are asking lambda only.
Phase difference will be like phase difference. You can't find like that. Phase difference. No, phase difference. How you can't find phase difference means this is what the if two waves are like this, one is like this. Phase difference will be 90. Opposite 180.
So
Uh,
I think they are asking different
path difference is
frequencies.
10. Correct only. Path difference due to reflection waves. Yes.
So
Wait. Just I got. Tell me, ma.
yeah, so see here they have given like consecutive wavelengths. So
Uh,
I think we need to use a length and wavelength formula. Remember that you taught us in closed and open organ pipes.
open organ
I think
pipes.
we need to relate with that because
Okay.
here they have given multiple wavelengths.
Yes. So here, path difference after reflection. Path difference after reflection will be lambda by 2, 90 by 2. Path difference. No, path difference means 90 like after reflection means 90 only, no? 45 lambda by 2. Path difference, not phase. It's not phase, path difference. After reflection, whatever he is listening, so that time it is going in this direction and coming back. So 90 path difference should be. Path difference after reflection going, coming back. Both angles should be same. Is how much? 90? It is okay. Delta x equal to 10 meters. So path difference of after reflection should be. That's the only hint they given hint like path difference is lambda by 2 they given to the reflection from the ceiling. Mm, lambda by 2. Remember this point, path difference after reflection from the ceiling. From ceiling, that is. So we know delta x is equal to lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2. After lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2. 5 lambda by 2. What is that? No. Remember this point, x path difference after reflection. After reflect, I got 90. They didn't give no first answer. It is 90, 45. Some x if we take, it will become the path difference due to the reflection from the ceiling. So path difference will become 90 lambda by 2. Yeah, lambda by 2 they given. Path difference they given lambda by 2, but it is not 90. It's not 90, no. Lambda is not 90. Just path difference they have taken as a lambda by 2. Path difference. It's not 90. It's exactly not 90. So path difference after reflection from the ceiling is lambda by 2. And path difference formulas we know 5 lambda by 2 and so on. So from this lambda equal to, we can write dx into 2. So lambda equal to 2 into 10 is lambda 1. So 20. Lambda 1 equal to 20. And lambda 2 if you take 2 into 20 by 3, it's not 90. What you are thinking? It's not 90. Just path difference will changes when light is like when the sound is moving wave as a wave. When it is reflector, it will become lambda by 2 path difference. It's not 90. Lambda by 2 it is. Hmm. Hmm? No, no, no. We have to use as a hint it is. We have to use as a hint it is. Hey, these are consecutive uh, path differences. One is lambda by 2. Already we proved this, no? Like closed pipe and open pipes. That time, reflection. When it reflection takes place, there also reflects, no angle. Yes, lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2. That everything is
Yeah, so it's that only, no? From organ pipes, we took that.
yes, ma, yes.
Yeah. So now we got first delta x is equal to
Check
10,
lambda equal
right?
to
No, we got first delta x is equal to 10 meters, right?
uh,
So that we can take it as the first one, and then we have taken delta by 2, 3 delta by 2.
yes, delta 1 by
So then 10 by 2, then 3 into 10 by 2.
yes,
We can do
yes,
like that.
yes, ma, correct. Yes. What we are getting answer?
So then it should be option B. So also, if you see logically, in
10
option,
centimeters lambda 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 will be 10. Path difference is 10, no?
so first lambda, we take it as 10.
Yes, 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 yes. Lambda by 2. Wait. Delta x equal to, if you take to 10.
So,
Tell me, ma.
so see, first we got delta x equal to 10.
Uh,
Now we need three consecutive lambdas.
yes,
And
3
we also
consecutive
have the
lambdas.
relation that delta x is equal to lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2, all that. So
Yes.
first we need to take delta x equal to 10, that is equal to lambda.
Yes, that's what 20. 20 equal
No,
to lambda.
sir. No, sir, not 20.
Why?
You have to take 10 only, no?
Delta x we got 10, no? So lambda it will become 10 into 20. Sorry, 10 into 2, 20.
Okay.
Lambda 2 will become what? 20 by 3.
20 by 3.
Lambda 3 equal to 20 by 5. How much? Answer is there.
Yeah, it's correct, sir. It's that only. 20 by 3, 20 by 5.
Check once.
Yes, sir, it is correct. I checked.
Correct, ma?
It is correct, sir. What you did is correct.
It is there, no? A option.
Yeah, sir, it is there.
Answer is wrong.
So it is correct
Ah,
option.
no. Actually, 20. Why? Yeah. We will get 40 by 3. Yeah. Come on. You will get 20 only. It is what? Delta x is equal to lambda by 2. Delta x equal to 3 lambda by 2. Delta x equal to So I will take delta x, how much you got? 10. So place everywhere 10. So 10 equal to 3 lambda by 2. You will get 20 by 3 lambda. First one is delta x equal to, I took lambda by 2. Delta x equal to 10. 10 into 2 equal to lambda. So lambda equal to 20. Yes, she calculated. She calculated that. So remember this path difference after reflection, lambda by 2, it will become. Hey, that is different question mostly. Give me. Also receives wave from 20 high ceiling point halfway between them. The two waves interfere constructively. We get C 10, 5, 10 by 3. Yeah. It's 5 meters. So question is different. Options are different. Options are different. Here meters, centimeters they have given. Here they didn't give anything. All they have given same. There they given meters and centimeters also in the options. Yes. Options are different. Options different. So that answer became different. Yes. And we have taken it is a total system, one of the closure system. Here it is always between source and observer. That we have to remember. Yes, ma.
The
Ananya, one more
third one
question.
is option B, right?
Third one, huh?
Yeah, because amplitude doesn't change because frequency never changes.
Yes. Option C.
Can you no option B, I think. Can you just see if it is
Yeah,
correct?
we are seeing. Wait, Risha also. Read the third question. Carefully read that she is given answer C.
No, B, sir.
Answer B given. A train of source, of wavelength along the white pipe. Okay.
Okay, I'm wrong.
Wait. A train of sound propagate along a wide pipe and it reflects from
Oh,
open end.
no,
Reflects.
vibration at a point. At a point,
Ah,
there's no
yes.
amplitude only.
No amplitude only.
So it is a zero.
Yes. Once read the Rishabh, question clearly. What is the answer that you are going to give? Tell me. White pipe, okay. White pipe. Mm. Open pipe, please. Yes. And
Sir,
no.
simply they gave all that story of open pipe and all that. We don't
He
even need
simply use
anything.
open pipe, organ pipes, and everything, but actually it's zero.
Just read fourth line, we'll get answer.
Read the fourth line, it seems. Fourth line, you'll get the answer. Like the amplitude of vibration at a point 10 centimeters from the open end inside the pipe. Mm, if amplitude of wave is 0.2 frequency and wavelength is 40, amplitude of vibration at point 10 centimeters at the open end. Open end inside 10 centimeter at the 10 centimeters, it is a node. Find out what is the node distance. Lambda by Wait. How it is the zero that? Check once where you are getting node and um, total pipe length. Frequency, no, it's reflected from the open end. It
So
is
wavelength is already given 40 centimeters.
lambda equal to 40 centimeters.
Yeah.
40 centimeters my wavelength. 40, yes. And amplitude of vibration at 10 centimeters. Amplitude of wave they given 0.02 centimeters. Frequency they given. Frequency they given 1000 hertz. And amplitude they given mm, amplitude they given 0.002 centimeters. Okay. So from this we have to find out length. Length we have to find out. We Yeah, length of pipe. We have formula, no? Length of pipe to calculate. Total length if you take L. Suppose one node it is forming. No, in minimum. Minimum nodes how many? One node. Open. Minimum is one. So if it is forms in the middle, if we take, so lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4. L equal to lambda by 2. So L equal to 20 20 centimeter. So L equal to you will get 20 centimeter. L equal to 20 centimeters. So at a 10, it is a at 10 centimeters means total is 20. At 10 centimeters, it is
0.
reflecting. From here, it is reflecting, no? It will be at a node. So there will be no vibration. Node is no vibration. What they are telling, from open end only it is reflecting. We took middle one of the node. Again from the open end, total pipe how much? 20. So half of the pipe is 10, half of the pipe is 10. So open end is at it can reflect from this end or it can reflect from this end, right? So lambda will become sorry, it is when it is reflecting, that means first year forms node. If it is without forming node, it won't reflect. It goes like this. So it is the node. At 10 centimeters, it forms the node. And from here to here also node only. Yeah, go, no problem. Understand, huh? Pipe length, if you calculate from here to here 10, anywhere 10 only. So at 10 centimeters, definitely you will get the node only. Yes, Ananya. Both sides open pipe nodes only you will get, because it node side only it is reflecting like that they have given. Question number 4. The speed of longitudinal wave is equal to 10 times the speed of transverse wave. Longitudinal wave formula? That is the transverse wave, no? Longitudinal wave formula? Longitudinal formula. What is that? Young's modulus. So it is root y. Young's modulus we can take E also by rho. And it is equal to 10 times of transverse wave formula T by nu. Okay. So both sides, if you options they given like yes, spring only. That's why spring only you will get longitudinal wave, stretched string. Stretch string formula it is. So both sides, if you square it, E by rho equal to 100 rho, sorry, 100 T by mu. So both sides multiple.
So I
Uh,
have a doubt.
uh,
Closed organ pipe is like one side closed and one side open, no?
yeah, closed organ pipe.
Yeah, and closed organ pipe L is equal to lambda by 4.
Mm,
So directly we get, if we do lambda by 4, it is 40 by 4. So directly we'll get 10
10
centimeter.
directly will get. If but it's open they given, no?
One side is open.
Oh, open end they given. One side is open,
Yeah.
so you will get
We need
directly
to
only.
take lambda by 4.
Yeah, yeah, directly you will get 40 by 4. Yes, Ananya, correct only. Before question, we said open pipe, no? If it is one side open, closed pipe means lambda L equal to lambda by 4, no? So lambda they given 40, no? Open, closed end. Closed end means this is the closed end. One you will get like this. It is the so lambda by 4. So L equal to lambda by 4. She got 40 by 4. You will get 10 directly. So open end reflection from the 10 only. You will get the same thing. Yes, 10 only. Option A only. Here, what they are asking to calculate? Stress. Then stress in the wire. So stress in the wire. F by F by A. F by A. So if you want to get this,
So what is E?
is Young's modulus, ma? Because they given like that only in the options they given like a E. Is the
Oh,
Young's modulus. So both the sides multiple. Hmm, sorry, both sides divide with S with S. So you can remember this type of formula rho S. It gives the area. We did sums also previously. Equal to 1000 T by mu S. So since mu equal to rho S, check once. I divide by S only. Hmm. No, no, not like that. 1 by S with divide by with or multiple with 1 by S.
no, sir. Divide by S is
Area,
only correct.
yes. No, S is area, no? 4 pi r square we written. Check once in the previous sums we did. This formula we given. It is the mass per unit length. So mass per length, mass is density into volume by length. So you will get density into correct only. So it is nothing but mu send that side. So E equal to 100 mu T mu S. Yes, we will cancel out. So 10 what they're asking, stress, right? So force by area is stress only. 100 E, no, E by 100. They given options in terms of so E by 100. So remember this formula. Mu place we can write mass per unit length. Mass is density into volume. So volume we can write area into length by length. So here area place in some books they will write even S also. Mostly here in up waves. Okay na? Next question. Read the next question and try to solve. Stretching in just the power. No power formula most I given or not. Have you written power formula or intensity formula? I think I guess I given power formula. No. Intensity formula. Okay. Power. Write power formula. Okay. To that question. Before the power formula also you have to write. But power they given whenever they have given power. So one formula is there that you have to remember. Power P equal to half rho I think we I given this a square omega square v intensity formula into s. Intensity formula given, right? See that what is the intensity formula given?
So half amplitude square, rho amplitude square, omega square, V.
Into area. If you do, you will get power formula.
Oh, this is a new formula.
Yeah, ma, it's power.
Okay.
No, omega square it is. Check once.
Yeah, it is omega square.
Because that time we did I equal to omega place we written 2 pi f. We took square. So I is directly proportional to f square. One problem we did. So that. Remember this power formula. And now read the question. Question number 5th. Question number 5.
So linear mass density is mu.
Linear mass density they given. So mu they given. How much?
5 in 10 power minus
Minus
2
2
kg per
kg
meter.
per meter they given. And yes, mass per unit length. Length is linear. Tension equal to 80 Newton. So they,
So we can find V.
then we can find out V. Yes, we can find out V equal to T by mu. Find out the V. 80 by 5. 1000.
So V is 80.
It is by no square if it goes up plus
Yeah,
2.
V is 80.
V is
80.
40. No ma. T. T. T given 80. Mu. Why you are not doing? No. You have to write actually. Because solutions every time we don't get you can't check everywhere immediately. If you want to see book is better, no? What is the day today? 12 13 tomorrow 14. Tomorrow 4 more days. Second year 19th will start. Hmm. So calculate now what they asked. Read the question. Next. Ananya, what they asked?
They're asking power.
Power they are asking it seems. So power.
Yeah.
This the
So, but
power.
for density, what do we use?
Density mostly we not to use anything. Power is directly proportional to yeah. Here this is into this. What is this? 1 by 2 mu a square 2 pi f whole square into v. Since rho into s equal to mu ma, what they have given now? We know mu.
Mu is there.
Uh,
Then frequency they have given.
frequency they given.
Velocity we know. Amplitude we don't know.
Amplitude we don't know.
Oh, amplitude is given 6.
Uh, so
Everything is given.
everything given you can calculate. So remember even power formula also. Power with the power you have to remember density into area is nothing but mu also. Intensity and power formulas are little bit that you have to remember.
So, but that is only easiest formula.
Mostly that questions only like easy only I think because directly they are giving.
Yeah, they'll give all values and we can
Mm.
simply substitute.
How much answer you got?
I'm doing so.
1 by 2. 5. Yeah, minus 2. A square. Do that. Got my answer, huh? If it is the centimeters, convert into meters. And any answer?
So, solving.
Hmm. Why? Answer not getting, value you are not getting. Get the value, check once answer it is there or not. Because direct formula, mostly it will be there. 3.14. No problem.
So, I think it is option D.
Option D, it seems. Check
I
once.
think, I'm not sure.
Answer what you got?
I'm still solving, but 416 is divisible by 4. So,
416 is divisible by 4.
like option D is divisible by 4. And in calculation also, we have a lot of numbers that is divisible by 4.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, sir, I'm still calculating. I don't know if I'm right.
2 pi into 60 whole square 40. So 4 pi square 3600 4 pi square 3600 into 4. So you can take See, what is the answer? Correct only. Hmm. Oh, amplitude how much? Ananya, you got the 512.
Yeah, so I got 5 and
Yes,
2.
power no. Power we have to measure in watts.
Yeah. So, but I'm not getting 5 and 2 exactly. I'm getting 5. 1 second.
Points, any points?
No, it is like a big value. I'm getting 5 and oh, I'm getting 5 and 840.
5184. Okay, okay.
8400. But
Yeah.
so there are no points also. So it is like 5,18,400. Very huge value.
512 after what you got? Into 10 to the power of? Mhm. Yes, ma. Yes, yes, 512. Ananya,
5
closest
and 2.
value is
Huh?
512, no? Give that 512. Done.
Okay. C, so option C is 511. 511 is the C option.
1800 into 40 into 36 into 2 into 3.14 into 3.14. Do this. Huh? Yeah, 22 by 7 also you can take.
So 1800 from where you got?
So I cancelled 2.
Oh,
So
okay.
after, yeah, it's 4. I cancel out 2. 1800 into correct only. Yeah, one. Oh, what is that? When you did this, huh? What is that? What is 40, ma? V is 40 and A is 60, no? 60 into 60 I written. Which one? 60 centimeters it seems. 6 centimeters, into 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2. 36 into 10 to the power of minus 4. No, no. Bah. I thought that 6 when you said 6 meters. Very wrong. Centimeter to meter is 10 to the power of minus 2. Smaller to big is minus. Big to small is plus. Now, okay, na? Why? Here 10 you can make it is a 20. Uh, Make it, you can make it as a 20 and 10. You can remove there. You'll get now. Now you'll get. This. No, no. We used to get after we didn't like 16 to 60 we did you did actually 10 to the power of minus 4. If you do multiple with that 10 to the power of minus 4, whatever value you got 10 to the power of minus 4, like 0.0001, if you do, you will get answer. Next, one more question, ma. Question number 6. Let me read the question, ma. No, it's the start string, just string, string. Dot string where x and y are in the meters. The distance between the two successive points oscillating with the a by 2 amplitude. So y equal to a sine 20 pi x by 3 cos 1000 pi t. 1000 pi t. So here it is looking like y is equal to a sine a cos omega t only for me. Cos leave that. So amplitude place. So this is oscillating like y equal to they given a by 2, it seems. Check once, read that. When the when the no ma,
So that is
when
amplitude.
it's actually when the two waves are interference happen, their amplitude you will get this amplitude, and this is the original value of this. So y is equal to a sine a cos omega t. Omega t, it will be in this place, and remaining thing will become amplitude.
So how do you
Hey,
know that?
it's a stationary waves. When two stationary waves, if it is meter, you will get that. So suppose I given y1 is equal to a sine omega t minus kx, one I given, y2 I given to you a sine omega t plus kx I given. Add these two equations. Add these two equations. So you get y net equal to y1 plus y2. You will get like a sine omega t minus kx plus a sine omega t minus plus kx you will get. So sine a plus sine b formula cos you will get, right? So that time whatever the sine value you are getting, it will be the amplitude format. Do that if you want, do that. Sin a plus sin b, what is the formula? 2 sin a plus b by 2. 2 sin a plus b by 2 minus, sorry, into cos a. So
Plus sine a minus b plus sine a plus b is equal to 2 sine a cos b. Yeah, we have a direct formula also. So it is a into sine omega t cos kx.
what you are getting, ma? 2?
I think so.
Uh, 2 sine omega t cos
AX. KX. Yeah. Yeah, that is what I was saying.
plus
Into A.
into,
A.
so 2a sine omega t into cos kx. So here we will take it is the amplitude term in the stationary waves.
Oh,
So
okay.
when the two waves meet, superimpose with each other, so this sine function we will take as a amplitude. So similarly like that. So here also we have taken like that. It is the amplitude.
So, but even cos is in multiplication only. How are you
Cos
not
is
taking?
multiplication only, but in the stationary waves when we are solving, we will get whatever we are getting, that sine function only we will take as a amplitude. Cos we don't take as a, because cos starts with the negative. It starts with the positive and comes to 0. Sine is an increasing function, no? Amplitude we have to take most.
Oh,
Cos is a decreasing function. Sine is
okay.
increasing function only we have to take as a amplitude.
Yeah, yeah.
Decreasing function, if you take negative amplitude, you will get. So like
So
that,
A by 2 is equal to A sine
a
2
by
pi
2
x by
equal
3.
to a sine 20 pi x by 3. So you will get 1 by 2 sine 20 pi x by 3. So sine 1 by 2,
Sine 30.
what is that?
Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2.
A
So
place
2 pi
omega
x by
t,
3.
B place. What about the A? What about the A? A is common. Hmm. A is common. Take it common. A from this 2, take it common. It is 30, sine 30.
Yeah, sir.
Hmm.
So x
So
is equal to 9 by 2 pi.
it is pi by sine 30 means
Sine 30 means
pi by
pi by 6.
6 equal to 20 pi x by 3.
Yeah.
Pi cancel 2, x equal to 1 by 40. After what they're asking, stretch a string oscillating is a by 2 1 by 40. So x equal to 1 by 40, lambda you have to calculate, I guess. Lambda they asked, yeah, x equal to 1 by 40. 1 by 40 means 0.005, 100 by.
So what we are getting in terms of meters, right?
We are sorry, we got in meters.
Yeah. So we
So
need to
convert
convert
into
it into
centimeters.
centimeters.
X equal to, so 10 to the power of 2, 40, 2.5,
Yes, 0.025
0.025.
into,
No
yeah,
meters, no.
yeah, yeah, correct,
So
correct.
meter is
Into
yeah.
100.
Mm.
So it is 25, no, sir?
What is the answer?
Shouldn't it be 20? Oh, it is 2.5.
2.5,
Yeah, yeah.
5,
Correct, sir. It is 0.
2.5 answer.
Yes. Option C.
10 or 5, huh? Answer. A and B. One is 2.5, 2.5 is there. 5 is not there. Question number? Hmm. They given, see that amplitude, they given amplitude. Y is what? Amplitude, maximum displacement. Amplitude is nothing but, see, according to units and dimensions, similar quantities only we have to add, subtract and equate. If it is the meters, it is also meters only. Y equal to A dimensionally. Displacement, which displacement? This is also we'll call as a displacement only in the y direction. So amplitude itself displacement. Displacement means you don't think that in the extra it is the displacement. No. Yes. Yes. But option they didn't give, it seems. 20. A string of y. Y is the displacement action. The distance between the two successive points oscillating with the successive points, it seems. So if you take is the wave. So one is a by 2 if you take. One more successor means what? So how much you got? This is, if we get 5, so 2.5, it is 2.5 you got. And successive means one more. So 2.5 is nothing but 5. Ten, only 2. Successive means 1 by 7.5 you will get. 10 also you can get. 7.5 is their answer. So 10 is there. So 10. Again you will get 12.5 and 15 you will get if it is their options.
So the options they are saying it is 10 and 5.
So 5.
So how I am not able to see the board. Can you move the camera?
Yeah. So particle is vibrating, right? They are saying that it is successive. The distance between the two successive positions, right? Successive position means from here to here. If you take a by 2, how much you got? This you got a by 2 only you took. So you are getting x equal to 2.5. So for this is x is equal to 2.5. One more is 2.5. Total is for successive you will get 5. One more you will get like 7.5. One more you will get 10. So option is
Yeah.
there, then it will become 7.5
Okay,
also.
a by 2 is equal to 2.5. So a is equal to 5.
Yes.
Then again, a by 2 is equal to 5 because second
No.
oscillation also we have to take. So
Once.
then a is equal to 10.
Yes. See this distance. How much you got from
2.5.
when they have given amplitude equal to. So amplitude a by 2 to distance is x is the distance that you got 2.5. One
Hmm.
more success if you node if you want to get
Oh yeah,
then
half
2.5
oscillation that is
or
x
after.
right. So
Yes.
half oscillation amplitude is a by
Yes.
2.
7.5. Next one will be 10.
Yeah.
So and again one
So
more if
one
you
full
take continuously,
oscillation.
yes ma, continuously if you take one more it will become 12.5, it will become 15 and so on.
Yeah.
It will be
Got
like
it.
this. Waves, that is only oscillations will be very very nice more than this.
It is easy or more tough?
No, more tough. Oscillation, but these two lessons only mostly. Remaining lessons are only formula based only. Hmm? JEE mostly one question from every lesson, no doubt in that. So 4 marks that you can expect. Sometimes they can give 8 marks also. Means 2 questions they can give. So JEE mostly this lesson 2 questions we can expect. Now whatever you are solving, oscillations 1 question. Based on oscillations and waves, combination of these two, 3 questions can be there. Anything can be 2 and one more thing can be 1. 12 marks weightage. 12 is not ordinary. If you just 15 bits, if you can solve, you will qualify in physics. 15,
Out of 25, 15 questions.
25. Why
Yeah, there are
25?
25 questions, right?
Not 25, more than that. 30, for sequence
So
for
this year they made it 30 questions. In that
this
you
year.
have option. You
Mm.
can do any
Yeah, 30
25.
questions mostly. 30 questions in optional, 25 questions you can solve
Yeah.
this year actually. All 30 if you solve, you should not solve all 30. When they have given 30 questions, concentration should be on 15. More than that, but negative marking is to be there. It's a very difficult. Obviously, first when one question you have to read. Do you know or not? And on that concept, do you have idea? No, reading time won't be there. No reading. See, when you are suppose when you are reading question, so waves you will understand the power something waves. So you will get idea. Can I solve or not? If you can't solve, it's better to go to one more question without wasting any time. According to me, what I will if I go to write exam, first I will choose chemistry. Why? Because mostly theoretical questions and no so more problematic. Then I will come to physics only. Physics is physics is no one 30 questions I can call 25 like that I can solve. Mm. But NEET easily will solve. This much tension on it. Huh? Mostly all questions you can solve. KSET and NEET happily. NEET NEET easily can go because it is CBSE based questions. Yes, everything. Yes, no tricky only. But no, you have to solve 5 marks solution and answer is no. They won't use solutions, very big question solutions. Just 2 3 steps you can solve that. But you should get that idea.
Sir, in NEET, negative marking is there or not?
Yes, ma, it's there. Negative marking. Tricky. Yes. Now whatever we saw, like one sound, if it is reaches the one more person and one more rates reaching that and all, they won't. They won't ask like that. Okay. Next, one more question. Read the one last seventh question. See, to do question number 9, to do question number 9, I will give you one hint. Remember here. So sonometer, when you are discussing sonometer, frequency will be inversely proportional to length. If length increases, frequency decreases in that. So remember this, and you can solve question number frequency means F. You can write, or some books they will write N also. So you can calculate 9. Sonar is nothing but one of the instrument. It can collect. Sonar is not that. Sonar is to calculate the depth. How it will work means high possible frequency radiations you have to send so that it will come back. So there is a one receiver and one transmitter in the sonar. First it will receive. How much time it will take to come back, they will check. So if you know the speed and time, you can calculate distance. So depth of the
This
sea
is
you can
used in
find out.
submarines, right?
Yes, that's
Yeah,
what.
we learned in 10th standard.
Yes, it will be in the 10th and
Ninth, I think, not
Mhm.
10th.
Now do this. Sorry, question number 9 you can solve by using this hint. Hint. Now seventh question once. Go through it. Ninth you solve. Ninth it is the hint. Now think once and do. Solve question number 7 now. Two identical wires are stretched as shown to produce 6 beats per second when the when vibrating simultaneously. On changing the tension, slightly one of them, the beat frequency remains unchanged. Okay. Denoting T1 and T2 higher and lower initial tension in the string, then it could be side of maybe the possible ways.
So then F1 minus F2 is equal to 6, right?
Yes, yes, ma. F1 minus F2 equal to 9. Yes, sorry, 6. 6 suggest. Yes, two identical wires are stretched 6 minutes per second simultaneously. On changing the tension slightly, one of them, the beat frequency remains unchanged. Denoting T1 and T2 are higher and lower initial tension in the string. It could be said that tension more tension in the string and less tension in the string.
So
It
if
can be
tension is more, frequency is less. Or
yes, yes. Less change, small change. Okay, it will be big change, right? Now, what is the relation between tension and frequency that we have to find? So velocity equal to root over T by mu, right? T by mu. Velocity is nothing but
yeah,
lambda by T. Velocity is nothing but lambda
lambda
by
by
T. So
lambda f.
lambda F equal to root over T by L. So F is directly proportional to root T. So it is depending on the root T. Now, if T1 increases, F1, F can be, if
Increase.
T1 is greater than T2, then obviously,
F1 is greater than
yes, F can be increased.
F2.
F1 is greater than F2. T2 is greater than T1, then F2 is greater than F1. So when the T1 increases, F can be increased. T2 decreases, sorry, like tension increases, um, T2. Uh, yes, cannot happen. Read the first case. So according to first case, tension increases, frequency should increase. So
So
option check.
T2 was increased, right? If
Uh,
we have to make frequency more,
frequency
then
more.
T2 has to be increased so
Yes,
that
frequency.
F2.
Yes, yes. No, yes, see, ma. Frequency, if you want to increase, you have to increase the tension also, no? Eh, yes, T1 is higher, T2 is lower. But if we change any tension, then frequency changes. So T1 was increased and T2 decreased.
So T1 is
Sorry,
not
sorry.
increased.
No, no, T1
T2 is
is decreased.
increased. Yeah, T1 is decreased, T2 is increased. So it is B and D.
So this relation don't take, only take this relation. When T2 is increased means T1 is decreased. Tension in, if you, how can you increase the frequency? If you want to increase the frequency, final frequency, that you have to increase the tension, no? Root, oh no, yeah, root, just we will take the relation. So it is what you have to think here, directly proportional. Directly proportional means one is increasing, one more will increase. That is the meaning of directly. You, no, you have, this can be, it's an just frequency can be negative, a smaller frequency. Then take F2 minus F1. This is the relation, no? No, no. What I'm saying, when we are changing the frequency, if you want to change the frequency, you have to get the higher frequency. Higher frequency means you can take F2 minus F1 or F1 minus F2 based on the initial frequency, which is more. Yes. Mm. So what I will do? f1 minus f dash equal to 6. Whatever I want to increase, that I will write like this. And f dash minus f2 equal to 6, adjust that I will write. Whatever I want to I increase, that will be more than the f2. Right? So then tension can be tension that you have to increase. F1 greater than not. If you want to increase, T1 should be,
Oh,
yes. Hello?
so simple thing is that
Yes, ma.
if we want to
Just a
increase
minute.
first, it is already given
Yes.
that T1 is of higher tension and
Yes,
T2 is of
T1
lower
is
tension.
higher tension actually. So
It
T2
is
will be
given.
lesser. They given lesser tension. So that you
So
have to
for to
increase.
make it equal,
Hmm.
first we need to either we need to increase T2 or we need to decrease T1.
Yes, ma, correct.
We
Exactly.
need to do
See,
two things.
in the question itself, they have given T1 is higher and T2 is lower. So if you want to increase the frequency, either you have to decrease T1,
T1,
increase T2. It's
yeah.
possible. Yes, option B and D can be. Yeah, B and D option. Yes, Ananya, good.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma.
I'm not getting the eighth question.
Okay.
I think we need to create the wave equation first in eighth one.
Option D, B or D, right? Options.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sir, it's both.
Yes, ma. See in the next class, okay? So mostly get
Oh,
ready to
okay.
write test. You can write.
Sir, 1 second.
Hmm.
Can we do eighth question?
Uh, tell me, ma.
So eighth question.
Eighth question, path difference formula used. You will get.
Okay.
Yeah, path difference because they are asking path difference only.
So del
Del
psi
phi
is
equal to,
pi by 3.
yes,
Okay, okay.
you will get that.
So thank you, sir.
Just second. Eighth one, del phi equal to, you will get. So del x you will get 1 by 2. Del phi formula that you have to use. You will get the answer. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.